southeastern North Carolina, southwestern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, central Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. At 1:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen across much of the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lumberton, Bennettsville, Dillon, Whiteville, Shallotte, Elizabethtown, Sunset Beach, Red Springs, Holden Beach, Ocean Isle Beach, Little River, Iredell, Carolina Shores, Pembroke, Fairmont, Tabor City, Maxton, McCall, St. Paul's, and Chadbourne. Additional rainfall of 1 to 3 inches is expected over the area. This additional rain combined with already saturated ground from recent excessive rainfall will result in minor flooding. The flood warning continues.